Okay. Last but surely not least, we have Caden Keefer. Who has a fan club already. Okay, Caden will be singing It Will Rain.